Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior package. 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Illuminated star on the grille. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the trunk. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, retractable roof button for the soft top. This C-Cab has 60,357 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC Cabriolet, visit us at feldmanimports.com.